Have you ever wondered what secrets the Amazon rainforest holds within its dense foliage? A world teeming with life, the Amazon rainforest is a vast and vibrant ecosystem stretching across 9 countries in South America. Its sheer size is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Picture this: the Amazon is so expansive, it makes up over half of the planet's remaining rainforests. It's like a green sea that seems to go on forever, an emerald tapestry woven with countless threads of life. It's a realm that's as mysterious as it is magnificent, where every tree, every leaf, and every creature has a story to tell. But it's not just about size. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the world's largest pharmacy, is home to an incredibly diverse range of flora and fauna. It's a living, breathing encyclopedia of life, with millions of species that call it home. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, from the most common plants to the rarest orchids, the Amazon is a testament to the wonders of nature. And the most fascinating part? We've only just scratched the surface. Scientists estimate that a significant portion of the species in the Amazon rainforest are yet to be discovered. Every expedition into its heart uncovers something new, something remarkable. A new species of frog, a previously unknown medicinal plant, the possibilities are endless. But the Amazon is more than just a hub of biodiversity. It's a complex, interconnected system, where every creature, every plant, plays a crucial role. It's a delicate balance, a dance of life that has been going on for millions of years. The Amazon rainforest is a world within our world, a place where nature's creativity is on full display. It's a testament to the power of life, a monument to the endless variety and adaptability of species. The Amazon is indeed a treasure chest of biodiversity, a living laboratory of evolution. And as we continue to unravel its secrets, who knows what other wonders we will discover? Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of the planet? And it's not just a poetic metaphor. This mighty green expanse is a powerhouse of oxygen production, contributing to a staggering 20% of the world's supply. Imagine that. 1 in every 5 breaths you take, you owe to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon's ability to produce oxygen is deeply intertwined with its lush biodiversity. The rainforest is home to a mind-boggling number of trees, each one a miniature factory for oxygen. Through the process of photosynthesis, these leafy giants absorb carbon dioxide, a notorious greenhouse gas, and convert it into life-sustaining oxygen. But the Amazon's trees do more than just churn out oxygen. They act as a massive carbon sink, soaking up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere like a sponge. This ability to lock away carbon is a vital part of our planet's climate regulation system. By absorbing carbon dioxide, the Amazon helps to curb the effects of global warming, keeping our planet's climate in check. The Amazon rainforest's role in oxygen production and carbon sequestration underscores its global significance. It's not just a forest, it's a vast, living, breathing system that plays a pivotal role in the health of our planet. Yet despite its importance, the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change are eating away at this vital ecosystem. The loss of the Amazon would not only be a devastating blow to biodiversity, but would also disrupt the world's climate system, with potentially catastrophic consequences. In essence, the Amazon is like a pair of lungs for our planet, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. It's a natural wonder that's crucial to our survival. We cannot afford to lose it. Thus, the Amazon plays a crucial role in keeping our planet's air clean and breathable. The Amazon isn't just about trees and animals, it's also home to a rich tapestry of human cultures. Nestled within the forest's heart, you'll find myriad indigenous tribes, each with their unique lifestyles that have evolved over centuries. Their lives are entwined with the rhythm of the forest, a dance of coexistence that respects and honors the bounty of nature. Take a moment and imagine a life where the forest is your pantry, pharmacy, and playground. This is the reality for the Yanomami tribe, one of the largest tribes residing in the Amazon. They depend on the forest for everything from food to medicinal plants. Their intimate knowledge of the forest's flora and fauna is a testament to their deep bond with nature. Then we have the Kayapo tribe, fierce guardians of the forest. They've been known to use their knowledge and prowess to safeguard their territories from illegal loggers and miners. Their warrior spirit, coupled with a deep reverence for the forest, makes them formidable protectors of this lush ecosystem. The knowledge these tribes hold about the forest is invaluable. Scientists often turn to them for insights into the Amazon's biodiversity. For instance, the tribe's use of plants for medicinal purposes has led to the discovery of potential treatments for various diseases. Their way of life, their understanding of the ecosystem, is a treasure trove of wisdom that the modern world is only beginning to appreciate. But it's not just about the knowledge they hold, it's also about their commitment to preserving the forest. The indigenous tribes live sustainably, taking only what they need and giving back in their way. They are the true custodians of the Amazon, their lives a testament to a symbiotic relationship with nature that many of us have forgotten. So let's take a step back and appreciate these tribes, not just as inhabitants of the Amazon, but as part of its very soul. Their stories, their knowledge, their way of life, are all intrinsic parts of this grand tapestry we call the Amazon. The indigenous tribes are the true custodians of the Amazon, preserving its rich biodiversity and cultural heritage. However, despite its immense value, the Amazon rainforest is under threat. A dark cloud of danger looms over this emerald treasure, as the greed of mankind gnashes at its edges. Deforestation, a rampant menace, is stealing away the lush greenery, replacing it with barren patches of land. This isn't just about losing trees, it's about losing homes to millions of species that reside in the Amazon's nurturing embrace. But the threats don't stop there. Climate change, that relentless specter, is altering the Amazon's delicate balance. With rising temperatures and irregular rainfall, the forest's very survival hangs in the balance. And let's not forget about illegal mining, a clandestine operation that's ripping the heart out of this green haven, contaminating rivers and soils, and endangering wildlife. The consequences of losing the Amazon are dire. Imagine a world with increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, a greenhouse gas that the Amazon so efficiently absorbs. Picture the loss of biodiversity as unique species vanish, their songs forever silenced. The ripple effects would touch every corner of our planet, disrupting ecosystems and altering life as we know it. But there's hope. Each one of us can make a difference. By supporting sustainable practices, advocating for policies that protect the Amazon, and raising awareness about its plight, we can help safeguard this irreplaceable asset. The Amazon isn't just a rainforest, it's a lifeline for our planet. So, what have we learned about the Amazon rainforest? We've discovered it as a crucial ecosystem, acting as the planet's lungs, breathing life into our world. We've journeyed through its rich tapestry of indigenous cultures, each a vibrant thread in the global fabric. Yet we've also seen the threats it faces, casting shadows on this lush paradise. The Amazon rainforest is a vital part of our planet's health and heritage, and its preservation is a responsibility we all share.